Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gulf Jobs Station, जहाँ पे हम आपको लेके आते हैं फ्रेश जॉब्स, रिसेंट जॉब्स, ऑथेंटिकेटेड जॉब्स और डायरेक्ट कंपनी जॉब्स। आज और इसी सीरीज़ में हम आपको लेके आए हैं आज दुबई यानी यूएई के जॉब्स और ओमान जो कि गल्फ़ कंट्रीज़ हैं। आपको पता होगा गल्फ़ में मेनली 6 कंट्रीज़ हैं, सऊदी अरेबिया, बहरीन, ओमान, यूएई, कुवैत एंड कतार। तो ये गल्फ़ रीजन कहलाता है और इसी रीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट्स लेकर आए हैं हम आपके लिए आज, और रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं यूएई और ओमान की। तो चलिए चलते हैं रिक्वायरमेंट्स की तरफ। सबसे पहले आपको बताते हैं यूएई की रिक्वायरमेंट। इनका पोस्ट है, डायरेक्टली कंपनी के रिक्वायरमेंट हम आपको बताते हैं तो कंपनी का ही पोस्ट है। और उन्होंने लिखा है कि वी आर लुकिंग फॉर बिलो पोजीशंस 8 राइट हेल्थ इन दुबई एंड अबू धाबी। फर्स्ट पोजीशंस इंश्योरेंस कोऑर्डिनेटर्स एंड मेडिकल कोडर्स। सेकंड है इनका वर्क लोकेशंस दुबई एंड अबू धाबी। पोजीशंस जो बेसिकली हैं वो हैं इंश्योरेंस कोऑर्डिनेटर्स की एंड मेडिकल कोडर्स की, और वर्क लोकेशन है दुबई एंड अबू धाबी। क्वालिफिकेशन इन्होंने मांगी हुई है, क्वालिफिकेशन रिक्वायर्ड इज़ लाइफ साइंस ग्रेजुएट, बीएससी नर्सिंग, B Pharma or Biotech, CPC, CCS certified. So these all are the qualifications, and any one of these basically. And then the candidate from healthcare background will be preferred. So इनका preference है healthcare background, and job codes are for medical coder. The job code is RH.MC/03/2021. Insurance coder job code is RH/IC/03/2021. Interested candidates can send their profile, CV, biodata, resume at this email ID, which I'm going to spell it for you: careers@righthealth.ae. So this was the requirement for UAE. And now by the way, if I made any mistake in pronunciation or in reading, you can see everything, each and everything written here on the screen. So please do not make any mistake, and whoever is having similar profile matching to this requirement, kindly share the CV immediately, because you know that these requirements are time basis. So you need to see the video and apply it on time, to avoid the rejections. Now let's move on to the new company requirement, which is for Oman. Company name is LNG Works. Website is lngworks.com, www.lngworks.com. You can see on the screen it is written clearly, so just copy and paste there, and you can go and see the company profile if you like, if you want. Location, as I said, it is for Oman. We are urgently looking for the following roles on a 2-year contract basis in Oman with one of the biggest LNG company in Oman. So minimum 12 to 15 years of experience is required for the following roles: manager, utility engineer, lead cost and planning engineer, manager of marine operation, materials manager. Due to visa restrictions, only Omani nationals are encouraged to apply. Please get in touch for quick chat about the role, or send your resume, profile, biodata to this email ID, which I am going to spell it for you. Basically it is nadia.tariq@lngworks.com, but I'm gonna spell it for you. nadia.tariq@lngworks.com. Let's move on to the next requirement, and the next requirement is Fiber Construction Group. Is from Fiber Construction Group. This is the company name. Yes, Fibrex Construction Group, and website you can see written here www.fibrex.ae. So this requirement belongs to UAE, and the company name Fibrex Construction Group, and the requirements are for following positions: HSE manager, HSE officer, QA, QC, quality assurance, quality control engineer, and another opening is for QA, QC manager as well. Now I'll let you know the each position wise little bit of the requirement, basic things which they requested for each position. The HSE manager should have bachelor's degree or master's degree in NABOSH IGC, bachelor's degree or master's degree or NABOSH IGC. Must be approved by Musanada, and 10 years of experience. Abu Dhabi only. Immediately opening is urgently, immediately, with construction experience. Second opening is HSE officer, and the basic things which candidates should have are mentioned here: bachelor's degree, NABOSH IGC, 5 years of experience, Abu Dhabi only. QA QC engineer. Let's go to the basic requirements which candidates should have are bachelor's degree in civil engineering, and lead auditor, ISO 9001 2015, UAE experience 5 years and total of 10 years. Musanada project experience in an advantage and priority for interview. Experience in construction field is also preferred and required. QA QC manager now, which needs total of 15 years of experience, UAE experience 8 years. Please send your CVs, resume, biodata, profile at this email ID, which I'm going to read it for you: careers@fibrexholding.com. Spelling it for you: careers@fibrexholding.com. So these were the requirements for today's announcement. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. For more jobs and updates, please like, share and comment, and suggest what you want, which kind of jobs you want and where you want, the location, so that we can help out for you during this pandemic time. And don't forget to subscribe, and do press the bell icon so that you get the immediate notifications whenever we post the jobs. So be safe, and wish you all the best. Take care. See you soon with the new requirements. Till then, bye bye.